Hi Kipsters, there are many different operations we can use when we are solving math equations. Today we're going to talk about addition. Addition means we use the plus sign. So let's go over our symbols to make sure we remember what all those symbols mean. Plus means add, put them together. Minus means subtract, take some away. Equals means same. Find the answer. Today, we're going to focus on the plus sign. I like to call this Gus the Plus, and I know Gus the Plus puts parts together. Let me give you an example. 3 plus 4. Here's Gus the Plus. Gus the Plus puts parts together. So I know that 3 and 4 are the parts. I put them in my number bond. We know that both parts have an arm that leads to the whole. The whole is the total, or how many we have all together. So I need to put 3 and 4 together to find the whole. That's what adding is. Let's count all together. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I put the parts together and count all of them, I get 7. So 7 is the whole. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now there are many things that we can do to solve addition equations. Here are some strategies we can use to help us out. The first thing we can do is draw circles. So I see here that I had the equation 3 plus 6 equals, and I'm trying to find the whole. I drew one part. The first part was 3, 1, 2, 3. The second part was 6, so I drew 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But then I counted all together. The pink numbers show how I counted from 1 all the way up to 9. 9 was my answer because that's how many I had all together. So one strategy we can use is to draw circles. Today, we're going to practice with this equation, 5 plus 2. What's the first part? 5. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the second part? 2. Add 2 more, get ready, go. 1, 2. Now what do? Count all together. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I count all together, I find out that 5 plus 2 equals 7. Nice work. Say erase, erase, erase. The next thing that I can do is count on my fingers. I see here that first I put up 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Then in purple we see that we put up 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The pink numbers show me that all together I'm holding up 9 fingers. Let's practice with our example. Hold up 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold up 2 more. 1, 2. And count all together. I'm holding up 7 fingers all together. The next way that we can solve addition problems is to use a number line. I see here with my addition problem 3 plus 6 that I started at the number 3. That was my first part. Then I counted 6 more. Remember, I didn't count this green dot. I used that as my trampoline, and then I had to make 6 jumps. Jump 6 times with me, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After I hopped 6 spaces, I got to the number 9. And that's my answer. Notice when we are doing addition that we count forward on our number line because the numbers are getting bigger. We're adding more. So when we count on our number line for addition, we hop forward. Let's practice that here. Remember, our equation is 5 plus 2. So I'm going to make a number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me write in those numbers. Great, here's my number line. Here's the number 5. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to put a little star to help me remember where I'm starting, and a dot. Remember, that dot is my trampoline. I can't hop on it again, I have to hop forward. So I'm going to start here, and then I can draw jumps to help me count forward. 1, 2. I'm going to put a little arrow to show that this is where I landed. Double check. 1, 2. Yep, I see 1, 2 hills. That shows me that I jumped 2 times. So 5 plus 2 jumps equals 7. That's how we can use a number line to get our answer. The last thing we can do is count on. When we count on, we start with the bigger number. So I put a star for start. I'm going to start with 6. And then I underlined 3. We're adding 3 more. So I need to make sure that I count 3 more numbers. So I put 3 spaces to show how we're counting on 3 more. I can even use my fingers for this. I'm going to think 6 in my brain, and then I'm going to count on 3 more. I can use 3 fingers to help show 3 spaces. Ready? Think 6 in your brain. Count on, get ready, go. 7, 8, 9. My 3 fingers show me that I counted 3 more because that was my other part. But I counted on. I said 7, 8, 9 to show that 6 plus 3 more equals 9. Let's practice that with our equation, 5 plus 2. Start with 5 because that's the bigger number. And remember, we're counting on 2 more. 1, 2 spaces. I'm going to write in the numbers, but you count on in your head with me. So we're thinking 5 in our brain. That's our first part. Now we're counting on 2 more. You can hold up your fingers. Count on, get ready, thinking 5. What's the next number you're going to say? 6. Ready? 5. Count on, get ready, go. 6, 7. We just counted on 2 more spaces. The last number we said was 7, so that is our answer. Give your brains a big ol' kiss, right? Kiss your brain, throw some glitter, make it rain. These are all great strategies to use when we are solving equations.